Hey TikTokers, welcome to our useful tips and tricks series where we explore how to get the most out of your TikTok 4. In today's episode, we will be showing you some interesting features that you may not have known about on your TikTok 4. Did you know that the TikTok 4 has a control center just like your cell phone? By swiping up, you can view useful information like battery levels, Wi-Fi connection, and even see if you're connected to Bluetooth. The control center allows you to control your music volume and has quick connections to both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Another interesting feature on your TikTok 4 that you might not have known about is the notification center. This can be done by swiping down from the top of your screen. Here, we will be able to view any unread messages and missed calls, all in one place. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, hit that like button and be sure to follow us on our social media at mytiktok and visit our website www.mytiktok.com. You can also reach out to our dedicated support team Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST for any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.